Sorry, I ended it because I wanted to widen the view. But I'm guessing that's the hole I gotta go up. To get where I'm trying to go. That or go over there, but this looks like the easiest spot. I need to see my step. But you know what I'm ruining is insulation. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. Where are the fans at? Still got everything. Water. That's gonna be my lifesaver right there, bro. It's gotta be 100 degrees up here. 110. But it's a big old jungle gym. I love it. Oh goodness. Alright, it's a whole nother thing. I see the fans now. Okay. I gotta be careful because I'm videoing. I should have worn my mask in here. I can feel the Alright, how do I climb up there? I can feel the fiberglass in the air. I need a better angle. That one's good. Alright, where's my trusses? Hey Nick, I know you can appreciate this one. My dog. Alright. So, let's get over here. Alright, from here I can jump onto that and jump up there and get up there. There's my box. My wires. Oh look, and there's all the wires for that. Okay, let's get up there. I gotta test it, make sure it's not still alive. He said he's pretty sure he's got the breaker off. But man, this belt. I didn't wear my belt for my clothes today. So it's killing me. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand, but I'm gonna try. I might have to put you in my pocket, guys. Maybe I'll just set you down. Oh man, I hope this doesn't backfire on me. I really don't want to lose my phone. Okay. Okay. Come on, fan. Make sure I don't drop the phone. So hot, oh my goodness. Oh God. I need my water, guys. I am dying. Cool the core down. You can withstand this crap. If I was outside, I'd be pouring it all over me, but I don't want to do that to the customer's stuff. Okay. I'm gonna get my tools out and not lose them. If you lose them in that cotton stuff, they're gone. Pistachios. nuts. Man, $50 per fan. This is, I did not charge enough at all. But I like this guy, and there's a lot more work, and blah, 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 blah. Kindness, kindness, kindness. Lord, it's all for you. Alright. So what do we got here? Okay. I need another spot to sit. I gotta pull my belt around. Don't lose anything. Ow! Nails everywhere. Oh, crap. So hot up here, guys. I wonder if y'all can see everything. That's gonna have to do for the camera right now, because I can't work and hold that. That's a good sitting, okay. This is a terrible position. Okay, let's just take that out. Can you guys see everything? So here's all my tools. Don't drop. Please don't drop. Oh, this is so difficult. Like, just so you know, if it does drop, the things I do it for the tube. Okay, that's the best I can do. Alright, let's get this wiring undone. You know what, I'm just gonna use my brain. Should I? We're just gonna snip it. Now, if there's power going through it, it's gonna arc. Oh, scared me. I was afraid it was gonna arc. Okay. I still would rather test it though, instead of playing with my life while I'm balancing, doing a balancing act. Goodness gracious. Stop. Come on, work with the quickness. I do not want to be up here. Where's my blade? I don't have my blade. That's better. There's my blade. So much better. Can y'all even see? I'm sorry. I feel like the camera's not even pointing in this direction. Yeah, definitely not enough. Did not charge enough. Oh, goodness. Ah. Oh, there went my wire nuts, guys. I've got some right here. Thank you, guys. Awesome. Just don't lose them. So you want to do what I do, huh? Ugh. Oh, goodness gracious. Definitely hot up here. Gotta ration my water, though. Don't drop. Thank God. I don't have staples. I should staple that to a truss, but unfortunately, that's not an option today. What the heck are these things? What is this crap? But you just slide it on in there or something? That's wild. I always treat everything as if it's alive anyways. Why would you go from the right? Oh. Okay, now I get it. These plugs are stupid. It's so hot. My impact would have just been another thing to drop up here, so stick it with the old-fashioned way. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna have to screw this up here somehow. Alright, but I'm going down, man. I gotta get some air. I gotta get a rest. There's one done. I'm gonna come up here with my impact and screw that in further, though. It's my wire nuts down there. Definitely about 100 freaking degrees. I guess I could take you out with me. Yeah, it's at least 100 a fan, man. This is 100 a fan. This is not 50 a fan. I can't do that. I'm about to pass out. Okay, so there goes my other phone and the stuff out of the bag. Alright. This is already a lot of fun. Keep in mind, if you slip and fall, you're probably dropping. He's got vaulted ceilings, so I'd probably die. It's like 18 to 20 foot fall, at least. Oh, I feel the heart pumping, man. It is pumping and pumping. Oh, goodness. How do those come out of the bag? Okay, there's a hole. So I cannot put them back in the bag. Don't panic, don't struggle. Only makes things worse. Phone can go back in the pocket. Plug can go in a pouch. Where's this truss? Tell me that's a truss. Thank you. Plug's gotta go in the pouch. I'm about to die, guys. I'm just kidding. I am being a little exaggerate. But I do gotta get out of here for a minute. Because it is so bad. Where's the other fan? Okay, the other fan's over there. A little bit deeper in. But I gotta get out. I don't even think I do have no water. Let's take that water now. I might not get out of here. I hate to be dramatic, but I'm not even sweating anymore. I'm wet, but I feel it's drying. I'm shaky. I gotta get out of here. There's no one to get me because you can't even fit in here. I just thought about that. I need this hand. Oh gosh. I need that box too. Where's my way out? I think it's over there. Is it over there? It's over there. Lord help me. I feel my sweat drying. It's hard to see now. Here's my spot. I can't. Oh goodness. I'm really unsteady at this point. We're getting there though. I'm almost there. I'm almost to the boardwalk. Once I get there, I'll be okay. Now. Okay. Oh, I feel the cool air. Oh my goodness. Ow. Oh, everything's digging into me. Ow. I gotta bend over though to do this. Almost there, guys. Oh no, I didn't press the button. Well, it's gotta be powered up anyway. Okay, that's fine. I'll get it on my way in for the other one. Oh, I can stand up in here. Wires. Oh my goodness. I'm worn out after that one thing. And I still gotta do another. This attic is like a whole maze of its own. Like you realize I've been crawling? I just went through that, went up, went over, went way up. We're getting goosebumps now. Look how wet I am. My scabs are getting all gross and I got goosebumps. I'm almost to the opening. I gotta go take a break. I gotta eat an apple. I need some sugar. You guys, that was terrible. Yeah, that's... Hey, John? Hey, look, I used to have one of those plugged up to my, whoa. Oh, I got really dizzy. I gotta take a bit. Alright, I guess I don't know if I'm gonna film the next one, but y'all know how it's gonna go.